Yo! I got my first order as soon as I launched the apps. This one's gonna be for 7-Eleven, $10 and some change, going 5.5 miles. Can't quite see the numbers, but I think it's upstairs. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Starbucks, $8, going 4 miles. Well, looks like they got broken into. The whole front thing was boarded up with wood. Did you guys get broken into, or?
No, someone actually drove their car into the building.
That'll do it. Yep. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next order up, we've got Angels, $10, going just under 6 miles.
Thank you. Take care.
You too, thanks. Got this order as I was walking up to the door. This one's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8, going 4 miles, only one item. Do you know where I would find super glue?
Ooh, if we have it, if we have super glue, would it be on 9? No, we do not have super glue. We do not have super glue.
Well, what do I do now? Did I just waste my time? Most likely, yes. Okay, I told them that I asked an employee and they said they do not carry super glue. What does the customer respond with? It's in the office section, I assume, next to the kids' glue sticks. Bro, are you dense? All right, well, this is going nowhere, so I'm just gonna head out to my car. Okay, well, I guess just cancel my order. Thanks for looking. Shut up. Okay, well, customer support just told me that I will be compensated, and then they canceled it, and now it's saying order blah 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 has been canceled. You won't be paid for this delivery. So which one is it? Because I've got a screenshot saying that I would. Got an order. This one's gonna be for Mr. Maple Donuts, $10, going 2.5 miles. Morning.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You as well. Next order is going to be for El Jefe, birria and tacos, $9.75, going 4.5 miles. Not you.
Head to your pickup at Walmart.
Definitely not you. You too, thank you. Okay, I think I did actually have to use the gate code there because these are not the right numbers. Yeah, it's probably the other side. Wait, it's exit only. So I do have to go this way. Oh my goodness, I am just all over the place. There's a map right here. Maybe I should look at that, huh? Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's $10 and some change, going 5 miles. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Sherry's. This is $11, going 6 miles.
Turn right on Northeast 4th Lane Boulevard using the right lane.
This is $11, going 6 miles.
What you got?
Aisha, no drinks on it, right? Okay, cool. Oh, of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's $10, going just under 3 miles. Yes, thank you.
Of course.
This one is $9 going 6 miles.
I can't drive it, it's broken.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Next order up, we've got a Georgie's Garage and Grill, $12.75 going 6 miles. That is hot. Jesus. I got the next order right away. This is gonna be for Nectar Juice Bar, $11 going 4 miles. I'm right next to it, so I don't think it's gonna be ready, but it shouldn't be too bad either way. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $9.25 going 2 miles, 3 items. I think it's this. And then just scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Good enough for me. Heading in this direction anyway, so I might as well take it. This is gonna be for Voodoo Donut, $7.25 going 3 miles.
Here you are, my friend.
Thank you. Bro, this map is not helping me out today. There you are.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Should have just followed the pin, but at the same time, I didn't know this place even existed, so I was just following the directions that the GPS was giving me. And let me tell you, that was a mistake. Well, I was typing something and I accidentally accepted this. It's a Burgerville. I think it said $8 going like 2 miles. At least I hope that's what it said.
There it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Chipotle, $12 going 6 miles.
And a drink.
Was there only one drink?
Let me see the front of the bag. Yeah. Oh wait, there's a Pellegrino. So we're working on getting that turned off on our ordering. I don't have that. We do have other bottled options. I don't know if you want to.
Yeah, I should ask them. So they're not answering. Can I just get a regular water?
Yeah.
Thank you. They were not answering, and I do not have all day, so they're just getting regular water. Boo-hoo. I'll drop that. Okay, this last order kind of left me far away from home, so I'm gonna start driving that way, and if this is the last clip you see, then you'll know that I'm done for the day. Current time is 12:09. Current total is 146. 2 Uber tips left to go, at least 150. We shall see if that guy is pleased with his water. Pretty good day today. I'm happy with it. And yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.